So you haven't owned one of these yet? Or are you afraid that people will make fun of you while wearing these? Or did I be telling you why you should wear it and why you should get one? So let's hop into the video. Hello guys, my name is Jermaine Zhang, and in this channel I'll talk about men's fashion, life hacks, and cars, and even a video that you want me to make it to. And yes, please consider subscribing if that sounds interesting. And yes, follow me right here on social media too. And let's hop into the video. So first things first, if you haven't owned one of this yet, you're kind of too late to the game, my guy. Or are you just afraid of getting judged? Well, let me tell you something. Haters will always hate. So just cop one right now and you'll be much happier. And you will step out of your comfort zone and look even more fly, right? So yes. So to get your hand on Chelsea boots, I believe H&M has it, Forever 21, ASOS, Doobie Brooklyn, Thursday boots, and Walmart too, online and Amazon. So go check it out, you know. So why you should own one? It is because you will look better than the usual dude that is wearing Jordans or Vans. All right, Chelsea boots, it makes, I don't know, but it just makes you look a little bit more mature, a little bit more like grown up, you know, as a man. If like you're 18 and up, you don't want to look like a little kid anymore. You want to look a little bit more mature. So to look a little bit more mature, I said Chelsea boots will do the thing for you, and it will boost up your style and look even more better. So if you haven't worn it once in your whole entire life, I know that it may be hard to get into these type of boots, or you step out of your comfort zone. But like I said, to step out of your comfort zone or to look good, you got to step out of your comfort zone or expand your comfort zone to look better and look good. So do I get compliments with these shoes? Yes, I do. I get tons of compliments back in high school, my friends, strangers, teachers, securities, principals, counselor, all kinds of people in high school. I get compliments, and even when I go to college, I still get tons of compliments. I stand out even more. And yes, guys, if you wear it, you'll get compliments too. So how to style with Chelsea boots? It is by smashing the like button and subscribe button. So yes, I will show you guys some pictures right here or photos of me wearing it in a video right now. So let's roll it. So welcome back. Now you guys have a little sense of my video of my photos. You guys can probably style them a little bit more. And yes, so as you guys can see right here, one of my other photos that I like, one of the best, with my cardigan, with my, you know, whatever. I think I dig this outfit even more, you know, with the Chelsea boots. Oh, I have right here too. Right here. See? This boot, it's kind of dirty because I wear these a lot with blue jeans. So yeah. And also, another reason why you should get these, it is because you can dress these with like formal, casual, and all kinds of stuff, but just don't wear it with shorts because it will not look good with shorts. And yeah, just don't wear it with shorts, right? Just wear it with jeans, you know, anything that you feel like is good, but just don't wear it with shorts because Chelsea boots does not look good with shorts at all, like at all. It's a no-no. So yes, no shorts, but slim jeans and skinny jeans, yeah. Go test it out. So the final question is, do I recommend Chelsea boots? 10 out of 10, yes, I will recommend it. If you want to step up your game, your style, everything, you gotta smash the like button. But yes, guys, I do recommend Chelsea boots. It will step up your game. You will look way better, more mature. You will get tons of compliments. And then, you know, now it is time to step up your comfort zone, right? Step out of your comfort zone. I mean, not even step out, expand your comfort zone. Get more knowledge in. And you know, by subscribing and liking. So yeah. Thank you for staying here to the end, and I hope you got something from me, a little bit of knowledge from me, I guess, from Chelsea boots. And if you haven't owned one, go get one right now. You will truly love it. Get tons of compliments, and the girls dig it, and a lot of guys dig it too, and I dig it too. And yes, but in the meantime, I'll catch you guys on another video. So dream big and inspire.